In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can make the time bigger on your iPhone running at least iOS 26. This is super easy to do, so we're going to go ahead and dive straight into this. But before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, what you're going to want to do is simply from the lock screen, just hold down and it's going to go ahead and enter in a stage of edit mode where you're going to want to go ahead and select customize on your current wallpaper. From here, you'll have the option to select the clock right here. And depending on which photo you actually have, you'll be able to drag and adjust the size of that time just like so. Now, for some reason, this only does work on the basic font right here. If you try and select a different font, it is not going to work. So make sure that you at least have that main font selected and you'll be good to go. And once again, all you got to do is just select that, hit customize on your wallpaper, and then you'll have the option to drag that time down to make it even bigger. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. But now your iPhone's clock should be a lot bigger and a lot easier to read. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.